Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn up read status on TikTok message. Okay, first of all, let's just open our TikTok application on our phone and we can go to our profile, tap on this profile button and tap on these three lines on the top right corner of our screen and click on settings and privacy. And here we can select privacy. Okay, then we can scroll down, tap on direct messages right here. Okay, and here we can turn up the read status on our TikTok. We can click on this toggle button to turn it off. Okay, and now my read status on my TikTok has been turned off. Alright guys, and that's how we can turn up read status on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.